This video is about Peregrino Celestine, the future chronograph time zones. So here is our clock illustration. Peregrino Celestine clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. The Peregrino Celestine clock had only 10 o'clock. Then 1 is 10 periseconds or 10 periminutes. Then 2 is 20 periseconds or 20 periminutes. 3 is 30 periseconds or 30 periminutes. 4 is 40 periseconds or 40 periminutes. 5 is 50 periseconds or 50 periminutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17 PST or Peregrino Celestine. 6 peri-hours, 44 peri-minutes, and 710 peri-seconds. In the Peregrino Celestine, the future chronograph, you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. Because Peregrino Celestine, the future chronograph, is decimalized time and metric time. Okay. In the Peregrino Celestine, 100 periseconds is 1 periminute. Then 100 periminutes is 1 peri-hour. So, 1 periminute contains of 100 periseconds. And 1 peri-hour contains of 100 periminutes. Okay, the 1/4D. The 1/4D of the Peregrino Celestine is 20 peri-hours. Again, 1/4D is 20 peri-hours. Then, the time equivalent. Time equivalent Peregrino Celestine to standard time. 1 peri-hour Peregrino Celestine is 1.2 hour standard time. 1 periminute Peregrino Celestine is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. Then 1 perisecond Peregrino Celestine is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So and now the Peregrino Celestine, the future chronograph time zone. Okay? Peregrino Celestine, the future chronograph time zone. Post-meridian is composed of 180 degrees. Then ante-meridian is composed of 180 degrees. So total of 360 degrees. So 360 degrees divided by 20 peri-hours, so equals 18 degrees. Okay. So, 1 peri-hour is 18 degrees longitude. So, the time zones chart, Peregrino Celestine time zones charts. 0 degrees longitude is 10 o'clock noon, alas 10 ng tanghaling tapat, alas 10 sa udtong tutok. Then 18 degrees is longitude is 1 o'clock p.m. Peregrino Celestine or PST. 36 degrees is longitude is 2 o'clock p.m. PST. Then 54 degrees is longitude is 3 o'clock p.m. PST. Then 72 degrees is longitude is 4 o'clock p.m. PST or Peregrino Celestine. So continue. 90 degrees is longitude is 5 o'clock p.m. PST. Then 108 degrees east longitude is 6 o'clock p.m. PST. Then 126 degrees east longitude is 7 o'clock p.m. PST. Then 144 degrees east longitude is 8 o'clock p.m. PST. Then 162 degrees east longitude is 9 o'clock p.m. PST or Peregrino Sinis time. So continue. 180 degrees longitude is 10 o'clock midnight PST or Peregrino Sinis time. 10 o'clock midnight or alas 10 sa tanghaling alas 10 ng hating gabi, alas 10 sa tungang gabi. Okay. 162 degrees west longitude is 1 o'clock EM PST. 144 degrees west longitude is 2 o'clock EM PST. 126 degrees west longitude is 3 o'clock EM PST. Then 108 degrees west longitude is 4 o'clock EM PST. So continue the last one. 90 degrees west longitude is 5 o'clock EM PST. 72 degrees west longitude is 6 o'clock EM PST. 54 degrees west longitude is 7 o'clock EM PST. 36 degrees west longitude is 8 o'clock EM PST. And 18 degrees west longitude is 9 o'clock EM PST or Peregrino Sinis time. So, that's all. And thank you so much.